Hi guys, it's Samuel Guerra. I got some good news. Take a look. I changed everything. No, too low to say. I changed everything in time. So, this one, this one, this one, this one. Believe these go. This one, this one. Believe these go. And the other side is. Alright. Are you ready? Anyway, all aboard the Jet Rocket School Train. All aboard the Jet Airport Rocket School Train. Next stop, free high school playtime. Here we go! Alright! Woohoo! Oh no! I'm okay. Well, bad news. And that's it happens. We're gonna retry again. Alright. All aboard the school road train. Next stop, free high school playtime. Alright. Nice rocket train. Now it's back to road train, interstate highway road train. Travel. The school train is here. Get in your school rocket train. Alright, all aboard. Next stop, free high school playtime. Nice rocketry. Maximum road train break. Maximum school road train. School road train. There you go. It's maximum school road train. Alright. Here you go, children. Get on the bus school road train. What do you think? I love school. Alright. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. Anyone leave comments? Excuse me. Be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. If you like the comments, please put a like, bell, subscribe to my channel. This is Zephyr signing off. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you for more breaks and rounds on Road Train Zephyr Road Train video.